High trade boosters. This is a strategy that potentially can turn your account from $100 to $10,000, and this is no jokes. So I've been speaking to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT has generated 20 strategies to turn your $100 into $10,000. So stay tuned for the rest of the tutorial. All right, cool. So what do we have here? We've got an RSI divergence indicator, and we've got Bollinger Bands. All right, this is very easy to use. So it's got very simple rules. Rule number one: you want to wait for price to break out of our Bollinger Bands. Right here, you can see price is broken out. Price is broken out. And you simply want to look for a divergence. All right, look for a divergence as such. Look for divergence, and you can see, for those of you who don't know what a divergence is, a divergence is when price is creating higher highs, and you can see, that price is creating lower lows as such. All right, see that price is creating lower lows. So it is the opposite of what the divergence, that the price is creating the opposite of what the divergence is doing. All right, so that's one example. So you can see price created a divergence here. Price had broken out right here. Price broke out right here and give a nice engulfing candle. That would have been a sell. I'm gonna sell right here. Target down there. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. You can see price broke out there. Didn't give us an engulfing candle. Shouldn't take that one. You can see price broke out right here. Price broke out right here. But in my regard, this really isn't a divergence. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, that wasn't enough. Let's go back. Let's go back in time and just see what price is doing. See what price is doing. Highs, lows. Price broke out here. See, this is that isn't a divergence. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, there we go. We've got another one. This is a divergence right here. You can see price is creating a higher high whilst creating a lower low on the divergence indicator. And once it does that and prints out an engulfing candle, you want to take this sell right there, and you want to target the most recent low. And yeah, let me know how this strategy works for you. Try it out. And it's similar when you're taking buys. Obviously, when you're taking buys, you want to look for, the price to break the Bollinger Bands at the bottom here. And yeah, man, thanks for watching the video. If this helped, drop a like and let me know on the next let me know on the next video. Cheers.